All right. Now, as I was saying that before I call him on the stage, there are a few words personally that I would like to welcome him with. First of all, I'm genuinely excited about today's guest, Dr. Van Batla. He's not just a pianist; he's a phenomenon with 64 world records to his name, a PhD in music and psychology, like we just read, and performances across 70 plus countries. Now, what I admire the most is how he blends speed, artistry, wisdom into something much larger than music, which is a way of unlocking human potential. Beyond accolades, he's a mentor and motivator who uses his craft to inspire people to think bigger, feel deeper, and live with discipline and creativity. So that's what I love. And before coming to the session, I had a word with him, and I loved how calm he is, how humble he is, and that humbleness of him is just took by heart. So I'm going to now, without further ado, call him on stage. While he's joining, guys, let the messages keep flowing. Let's keep welcoming him. Let's not stop our messages, the beautiful messages, keep them coming. And yes, here we have. Hello, hello, hello,
Pranam to
namaste.
you and pranam to all the participants here. Vasini ji, you made me stand here because itna pressure, baap re. I'm just a very,
No, no.
very, very small student of music ji. This is your kindness, you're speaking so baap re. And then
So
thank
I
you everyone here. It is so beautiful, looking at the messages and especially my bacha is here calling pranam. So this is our mantra. So I'm loving it. Thank you
so
so much.
let's say Pranam. Pranam, sir, and thank you so much for coming here. Uh, I mean, it's very, very humble of you. It's an auspicious day to have you here also. So I'm so glad, and I love all the things that I'm seeing on the screen. Raj, your studio, I believe.
Journey, yeah, this is my office and also my online platform where I conduct my classes too.
Amazing,
So this is
amazing.
this is my journey. I'll say this. This is my journey and still learning, still learning.
It's big, it's beautiful. It's very beautiful, sir. And we are so humbled by having you here. Now, before we begin, sir, a lot of people over here know you already. And I just want there are a lot of coaches who might not know you. So if you could give a little bit of introduction, however, your introduction has been taken care of by my team, we've been sending up, but a little bit of what you do, sir, if you could share a little bit about yourself, that would be great.
You have said so much. I am to already thinking, Bapre. So I'm just a small student, and I believe I have learned what my purpose of existence is, and this mission statement is not just the mission. Cut short. I'll just say I am not here only to teach how to perform, but I teach how to transform. Music is
Hmm.
such a beautiful journey. Music is such a beautiful subject to connect with
Hmm.
yourself, with the Almighty. And this is what is happening. And I'm blessed, as you said, as a mentor. We are in 13 countries as of now. And I'm blessed to have so many bachas all across. And 10 of these bachas are world record holders also now. So that gives
Awesome.
me further feeling of contentment. Yes, that is my purpose.
Wow.
And and what else? I'm just a small student, guys. That is what I can say.
Wow. Wow. No, sir. I mean, that's very humble of you to share, and I could see the magic that you create. I think we have so many coaches, but it's for the first time. A beautiful musician like you is here with us. I have a few questions before we begin, and of course, the stage is yours. So, whatever you would like to share today, the stage is all yours. People want to just hear you, but because we have a lot of coaches present over here, I want to ask you that since you've mentored thousands of students worldwide, what's that one principle that you always focus on first when coaching someone, no matter what is their background?
Perfect, perfect. So my mantra is going for the basics.
Okay.
If the basics are clear, trust me, Vasini ji, there is no end to your learning process. And
Mm.
I genuinely, everyone present here, I am telling you this as a fact. So I'm a student of Indian classical and I try to improvise the Bollywood numbers also. Somehow I don't know, I am connected with the old Bollywood numbers. So, every time I play, I try to improvise on the numbers. Every time it changes. There is certain things still pending. Still, there is a scope of improvising. So if your basics
Hmm.
are clear, if your roots are clear, I think there is no end to the journey. Anyone here, I would love to ask, if you allow me, who all
Please,
are
please go ahead.
aware of the musical scales? Anybody, please type yes here in the chat box. I would love to see musically inclined कितने लोग हैं मेरे साथ. Excellent. So musical scales are there, something called musical scales. All right, I can see so many of them. Very nice. How about I ask another question, which is further very common, that black keys are called sharps and flats. Ever heard of this term? Very nice. Now, why I insist on the basics, it is very important. Understand why even we call them scales. There is a logic, there is a science. Scale को scale क्यों बोला जाता है? And again, to all here, only black and white keys, only black keys are not sharp and flat. Even the white keys can be called sharp and flats if your basics are clear.
Wow, that's a
So
beautiful
that is
note.
there, and in be in any field, any area, my
Hmm.
fellow coaches are here. Teach them the basics and teach them from the heart. That is it. एक level के बाद people are smart enough to understand कितना scripted आ रहा है and कैसा आ रहा है. Generally we become a little judgmental. मैं कैसे बोल रहा हूँ कैसा जाएगा? No, speak your heart. I believe music
Hmm.
or anything you speak from the heart, it has to go to the heart. और कोई option ही नहीं है.
That's very true, very true. And that also brings me to one very important question, sir. When did you, or when did your musical journey begin? Like for your own self, and then when you start decided that okay, this is what I want to coach. I'm sure it must be a very beautiful journey with a lot of ups and downs. But when did it start? When did you realize that this is your game?
Okay, this is almost a Bollywood kind of a story. Okay, and
Okay, go ahead.
guys in the audience here, किसी के पास कोई connection हो तो do connect me. Yeah, just joking here. So again, I believe okay, this again goes with the again one-on-one connect here with all the people present here. आप में से कितने ऐसे लोग हैं who are blessed with some kind of a hobby? You can paint or in fact you write it down what you can do, either a painting or a singing or playing any instrument without any technical training. I'm asking, oh, perfect. Watercolors, piano, singing, and no matter, you can sing in the bathroom also, that is also all right, provided you know that you are in that flow and in the right thinking. Poetry, beautiful. Flute, excellent. See, so many of us are there. Now this is my experience I'm sharing. Since my
Mm,
childhood, I am blessed I can play multiple instruments. At the age of 28, I
mm,
decided, okay, fine, yeah, because piano was one instrument that always inspired me. Pianist is
mm,
playing something different from right, something different from left, yet something logical is coming out. ये कर क्या रहे हैं यार? So I was always there.
mm, mm,
So I started learning. I gave my Western classical exams and everything. Somehow I topped Delhi NCR in that batch, and then I realized ऐसा किसी और subject में तो हुआ नहीं. So this has to be my calling. And then comes a twist in a story. So just
mm,
a brief thingy here. These hobbies, these things which I asked you, everyone, please, this is my personal experience here. If these hobbies you give more time, give them energy and everything, make it a passion. And if that passion becomes your profession, trust me, you are sorted. You don't need anything else. This materialistic journey and everything has been created by us. Life is so simple and it is so beyond everything. Okay, इसी के साथ ना, I would love to share one more thing here, and I would like to ask everyone, how many of think that there, जैसे ये बहुत बार आता है, I personally see this, यार अब तो एज वाला फैक्टर आ गया है, आई हैव सो मेनी अदर प्रायोरिटीज. प्लीज टाइप मी, जो भी इस मेरी बात से कनेक्ट करने वाले हैं. सो आई डोंट हैव टाइम, आई हैव माई प्रायोरिटीज टू टेक केयर ऑफ. दिस इज नॉट माई एज, और आई डोंट नो वेदर आई विल बी डू इट और नॉट. Then, very important, very, very important. Yeah, considering these hobbies, I don't think we can earn much money. Please type me who believe this. Right? कि hobby pursue करने में पैसा नहीं है. This is a very, very big myth. Trust me. you can attract what you want to be. This is where the law of attraction also comes in. How many of you are aware of law of attraction? Just type LOA. I'm sure we'll be able to connect on the. Yes, perfect. Excellent, excellent, excellent. So this law of attraction is a beautiful thing. And आज मैं, with all humility, I'm telling you this. I was thrown out of my business, my family, because I, showed this interest that yes, I want to pursue music as my career. And that was the time when law of attraction started hitting me. I watched it in 2008, Secret. And then I realized, यार लाइफ तो बहुत सिंपल हो सकती है अगर हमारा अलाइनमेंट सही हो. आज Almighty's grace, I might be the most expensive concert pianist of our nation. So this is His grace. And everyone. Okay, another thingy. How many of you want me to share what is my law of attraction statement today? Just type me. Perfect. And I swear I'll be telling you the truth. So my law of attraction is I want to be the maximum tax paying pianist of our nation with all the happiness and the gratitude. And mark my word, it will happen for sure.
It will,
So
it will.
there is so much you can earn, you can do in life, provided you have that intention to serve, which is very, very important. You are not cheating on anyone. B, you are dedicated. There is no shortcut in life, guys, and that is what in my quote also you can see. If you want to grow, there is no shortcut. Just keep learning and keep growing. That is the best motto of our community also. Coming back onto the point. So 2008, I started learning. As I was, we were बिल्कुल हम लोग economically we were thrashed out. So I started giving my lessons. Home tuitions शुरू हुए मेरे. I have seen those days, when I used to walk 20-25 kilometers a day just to save those 30 rupees in my pocket, because next day मेरी बेटी को bread भी चाहिए होती थी. And that was the time. Then Almighty's grace, I got my first job. I started, I'm sorry, थोड़ा सा emotional factor आ जाता है. बड़ा emotional इंसान हूँ मैं guys, music तभी आता. So 2012, I started working as a lobby pianist at one of the malls in Gurgaon. वहाँ से there was a turn thingy happening. So I used to play. भगवान की कृपा से अच्छा बज जाता था, and then people around, they used to clap and apologize. अब now for any artist, सबसे अच्छी आवाज़ is this. जिसको इसका खून लग जाए artist को, then he needs a stage to perform. Every artist here needs a stage. And that is where, when I started, so it was furthermore embarrassing for our business, for my, family and all, because it was very embarrassing for them. And then I got a call कि बेटा जी आप piano लो और घर पे बैठ जाओ. We'll take care of you and your kids. Don't humiliate us. And I was like, मैं घर पे piano लेके तो हम बैठ जाएंगे, ये कहाँ से लाएंगे? I तो need this. And then, I started this law of attraction wala factor. What was my first statement? I used to imagine I am introducing myself to people saying, hi, I am Aman Batla and I am a pianist. And then I used to imagine their response. Oh, you are a pianist? Very strange. We don't find people, with this profession as such. And this started happening. And इसके साथ ना एक वासिनी जी एक और बड़ा अच्छा क्वेश्चन आता था, बेटा वो तो ठीक है बट करते क्या हो?
I was about to say that. For every creative person. Oh wow.
Yeah.
बताइए उसके बारे में बताइए.
तो उसका भी फन एक चलता रहा. And then I was नहीं यार इससे ज़्यादा चाहिए कुछ. And I remember it was in 2013. I was playing at a concert in the mall itself. And my concept was Raga Harmony, wherein I was playing a classical raga, and then उसी के बीच में I used to merge a song. So the song used to come up as a surprise element, and बहुत अच्छा उसका response मिला मेरे को. उसी ड्यूरेशन में एक पॉइंट था जहाँ पे मेरे हाथ थोड़े से फास्ट चले ना. आई स्टार्टेड थिंकिंग ऑन दिस कि नहीं यार, लेट्स एम फॉर बीइंग द फास्टेस्ट पियानिस्ट ऑफ इंडिया एटलीस्ट. वर्ल्ड वाला तो देखो इट हैपेंड. सो उस टाइम पर वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड वाज 765 नोट्स एंड 2014 आई प्लेड 804 नोट्स इन अ मिनट. Okay, now I applied for, thank you. I applied for Guinness, but then Guinness ka criteria is a little funny, I believe. They say that only a single note should be played multiple times. You know,
I
that
see.
is being the
Okay.
fastest pianist. Now, with due respect, every individual has their own setup. Personally, as a piano student, I felt it is
Mhm.
not a hard work being a musician. You know, it is a muscle memory, I can say, or something like that. Then,
Mhm.
I instead of Guinness, I thought, अब जितने भी होंगे, मैं सब में धीरे धीरे apply करता जाता हूँ. So I
Mhm.
started applying, and then 2016 came up. In 2016, I created another two world records, breaking that 804 wala. I played 1208 notes in a minute and 33 notes in a second. अब यहाँ से hype आनी शुरू हुई जीवन में. And
Mhm.
everyone, thank you so much for all your यही तो चाहिए. Thank you. Now came a twister here. I was
Mhm.
invited by the CM of our state, and I was honored with Haryana Ratna. I asked him,
Amazing.
sir, thank you for this honor. I need more platform to perform. As an artist,
Mhm.
I want to promote Indian classical. That yes, on piano we can play Indian classical also.
Mhm.
The answer I got was,
Mhm.
Aman ji, ek kaam karo, you play Haryanvi Ragnis on piano, and then we'll see what to do. And I was like, आप क्या बोल रहे हो यार? And that
Mhm.
was a little mismatch, and
Of
I
course.
stepped back. मैं यार,
Mhm.
come on, being a CM, आप मेरे को क्या चीज़ बोल रहे हो? I'm trying to promote Indian classical, which is our heritage, and यहाँ एक कहानी अलग जा रही है. But then फिर I was honored another few accolades. I received Bharat Gaurav also, and then
Mhm.
started the music therapy sessions. उसमें Rajiv Gandhi Excellence Award मिला, then Atal
Wow.
Pratishtha. Anyways, so Almighty's grace, I have 56 of such accolades also, along with the 64 titles.
Beautiful. Beautiful.
Then came up the last part, which is a
Mm.
changer in my journey. In 2018, as the Riyaz was happening every time I was going to, लोग यही बोलते थे fast piece play करो. It was
Mm.
going good. In 2018, I broke those records and I played 2,221 notes in a minute and 47 notes in a second. वहाँ
It's
मेरे को थोड़ी
amazing.
सी शांति मिली कि हाँ अब एक अच्छा सा नंबर आ गया. And then
Right.
it is going on. I believe every day you practice.
Mm.
Yes, post COVID अभी वो वाली बात भी करेंगे. तो अब वो रियाज
Mm.
का वो एक एनर्जी वाला फैक्टर is little dangerous for me rather to do. But yeah,
Mm.
music is there in life, and
Wow.
it is changing my day and night and every moment, teaching me the gratitude and staying on this earth. That is.
That's just so amazing. So thank you so much, first of all, sharing all that information because no journey is easy. And when it comes to crafts like these, first of all, the numbers that you've given me in a second, I love that I could see a lot of people are writing that said, "मैं सुन के ही थक गया. This is amazing. How did you do it?" So that's so
Thank you.
beautiful. And I love the journey. And thank you for sharing the difficult part also in your life, sir, because every uh, it's how we have those phases like कि, जो नूर होता है जो वो कोयला में ही बनता है right and then the kamal is also is in the mud right so all of that is very beautiful because you have to shine you have to go through that very 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 hard work which you have
Correct.
done so thank you so much for sharing that it means a lot of over here because they are also coaches and all the coaches that I know of I've spoken of they all have a journey with ups and downs and challenges and learning uh, can you share something about, and I know because we have so much to learn about music from you, but as a coach, when you started your journey, so having people who are interested in music and then having them on board and then sharing, okay, this is what, so any kind of, and I don't want to go all business here, but if you could share any kind of strategies that you use or any kind of ideologies that you follow when it comes to your students, right, who you teach, and how you make sure that they stick with you, they learn with you, and they grow with you. What is
I
your
would love.
process as a coach
I
journey?
would
Yeah,
love to share this. I would love to. This is actually me. If everyone allows me, and in fact you, the main host,
of
allow
course.
me. Can I share a screen? Can I share a picture here?
Please go ahead. Go ahead. I'll just give you the
Yeah.
yes. Go ahead.
So this image, what I'm talking about, is the principles, the value systems which we follow in our community. I believe
Mm,
अगर ये चीज़ें align हो जाएं, as I said ना, it is not just about learning piano. As a mentor, it is my duty to guide my bachas the real essence, what I personally feel are very important. And this
mm,
again, talking about the commercial side of it, Vasini ji,
mm,
I believe if you are serving with the pure intent, you
mm,
get to attract people with the right frequency. And
mm,
now I have started understanding एक शब्द, एक बड़ी पुरानी एक saying थी ना,
mm.
काम कर रहा है तू, नाम हो रहा है मेरा. So मैं तो बहुत
Ah,
प्यार से I'm just
I know.
flowing through, and people are getting connected and giving me this
Mm.
opportunity to serve throughout. So I'll
Wow,
just share
wow.
this image here.
Please, sir, go ahead.
Is this visible, people?
Yes, it is.
Excellent. So the first thing we work here is the essence of pranam. Now, irrespective of all your religion or anything you follow, idea is wish your elders, your teachers, even the strangers who are elder to you, just stop by and wish them pranam. Because ये जो blessings आती है ना, इसका कोई कोई comparison ही नहीं है. It is so beautiful thingy. And trust me, Vasini ji, we just had a workshop few days back, and I gave this task to all my bachas. They were jotting down this every day. तो उनका task था every day they have to go meet any stranger people and wishing them pranam. So 95% I got 99% I'll say I got very very beautiful responses. People and elders were blessing them. अरे बड़े टाइम बाद ये शब्द सुना, God bless you बच्चा and stuff. उनमें से कुछ एक परसेंटेज ऐसी भी थी जिन्होंने आंसर दिया प्रणाम, व्हाट्स दैट, विच एरा आर यू लिविंग इन. एंड आई वाज नो यार, दिस इज योर कल्चरल रूट गाइस, स्टिक टू इट, बी सिंपल ना. वही वाली चीज़ों में लोग बड़ी जल्दी जाते हैं. देन अनदर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एस्पेक्ट आई फील इज वैल्यू योर कमिटमेंट्स. आपने किसी को टाइम दिया है, आपने किसी को कुछ कमिट करा है, यू डोंट ब्रेक दैट. एंड इंटीग्रिटी इज एवरीथिंग. Then attitude of gratitude. This is one of my favorites. I am also following this every day. I tell all my bachas also, jot down, handwrite the 3 things every day, which should be different from others, for which you are thankful to. I'll just share my COVID experience and I'll tell you a beautiful thingy there also. Then comes attitude of appreciation. I don't know why we hesitate so much. Trust me, मेरे को कोई भी व्यक्ति अच्छा दिखता है चलता हो, who is carrying himself well, I make it a point to compliment him or her कि यार you are looking very good, you are carrying yourself very good. Even in a restaurant you are going, a person opens gate for you, just say thank you. It is such a basic civic sense we should have. On the roads, you stop by to give sight to a person. I think it is your duty to say thank you, यार आपने जगह देने का time दिया. So the few basic elements. And the last one, my favorite, is keep learning, keep growing, as I said. So there is no end to whatever you are pursuing in life, no matter as a student, as a coach, or as a person also. You all are in your different fields. उस field को सीखना मत छोड़ो यार. I really connected when you said this in your opening speech also. Never stop learning. So this is what is happening. Wow,
That's
schools
amazing.
don't teach nowadays these basic things. So true, Arnold ji. This is so true. We are missing this element. That is why I connected with SIDS so much. How many of you are here aware of ILH? Just type ILH. I can see the energy. SIDS का नाम लेते ही energy एक अलग आती है जीवन में.
Exactly. That's very true. That's very true.
So that was one reason, I really got connected with Sid. The way he was talking, the principles, the things he was saying, it was like, are yes, I connected with him so much. And that is making life so easier and so
Mhm.
meaningful.
I have a very connected question with this, sir.
Please.
So you need to be, so I think a lot of us also go through this phase wherein we say that, okay, there are a lot, many other coaches who do the same thing. Why will I stand out? Why would someone trust me? Right? Uh, they need to be heard. Their voices need to be out loud in their own specific niche, right? So if there's anything that you can share with the coaches who are present over here today, uh, how can they, or uh, what process can they follow, or what ideologies, or maybe what they, you can then have something in there, because a lot of times there was this one thing someone told me and it stuck with me, that when you tell yourself when you think of something big and it's not happening in reality, your brain doesn't know the difference, right? So you're thinking that, okay, it's big, but you're not doing anything about it. So the brain is confused. What is really happening? But if you keep thinking that way and your approach is that way, the brain thinks you're winning in life. So what is your mantra, sir? You have already shared a beautiful things that I think a lot of people took the screenshot also of what you shared. But what can our coaches follow to make their voices heard in their own niche? What can they do for their students?
एक thing is there which again I really connected the most here is
Right.
people are not buying your courses, they are buying you. So be genuine, be original.
Mm.
Most of the times you'll see on the Insta ads also, come join my this time is happening this, and that rush hour creating that. I know this is a beautiful strategy working for so many people around, but for me this is a different case altogether. I never
Mm.
tell people कि नहीं time is going by, buy it immediately, because give your time. You are buying a
Mm.
product, understand it very well, commit
Mm.
yourself. That is very very important. Ask your
Mm.
बच्चास also. I'm sorry मैं बच्चास ही बोलता हूँ, दो मेरे senior most are 70-year-old, वो भाव बच्चे वाला ही आता है. So ask them, what actually they want. हम लोग अपने end से
Mm.
तो maximum deliver करते हैं, but somehow एक ego वाला factor also strikes down कि नहीं यार, I am a coach, I know. भाई no.
Mm.
No. Have that scope of learning. All my bachas teach me so much. I am always open
Mm.
in our community also. Keep on guiding me, guys, how I can serve you better. Okay, another
Mm.
question, connected with your team here.
Mm.
Audience, get up. I know इसके अंदर मेरे पास answers आने वाले मजेदार. Who all
Mm.
feel कि initially the stage with ILH or the Tang Mango is little confusing. सब लोग एकदम से ही हो जाते हैं यार, क्या होना है, कैसे होना है. Anybody here? Wow, Beck is
We have one
writing
person.
me.
She wrote five
Excellent.
times.
See,
Yeah.
excellent. I really wanted to pinpoint this part here because as a coach, I have experienced this, and I'm sure most of them are feeling too. Guys, the technical issues happen. All right. The way they have designed their platform, it is magical, it is beautiful. And the best part, Vasini ji, it is not just you.
Yeah.
It is all the team present there. They are there. Okay, fine. This needs to be done. Give us this time. It will be done. तो यार इससे
Mhm.
बेहतर क्या है? And again, something new has come up. I think we all are there as humans. It is our duty to support each other and take it at a
Yes,
bigger
yes.
level. Fine, हो रही है गलतियाँ, चीजें चल रही हैं, things, because we are not techie guys. At least I am not a techie guy, so I felt a little, I wanted that time to be there to understand things very well. I could have hired somebody, that was a very easy shortcut, but नहीं यार, अपना काम
Very
खुद को
true.
करना चाहिए. Learn.
Very
It
true.
is adding to your system. And another question,
Mm.
another question.
Mm. Go
How
ahead.
many
I love your
how
questions.
many how many of you think that you are not ready to sell? You are not meant to sell, or you face difficulty in selling your products? Please type me there. As an artist, trust me, मेरा तो इतना capital वाला me चला है throughout. Excellent, excellent. I can see so much of response
Yeah,
here.
yeah.
Thank you so much, guys, for participating like this. Okay, इसके साथ एक और क्वेश्चन भी आता है. How many of you know Divyanshu here? Right, not a question to ask,
I
I'm
also
sure.
know. No, no, go on. Go on.
Now, you know what? A beautiful thing has happened very recently. As an artist, I was always hesitant in selling my product. In any of the videos, I am not able to say, okay, subscribe to my channels, give me a like or anything, because I feel this is a personal choice. If somebody likes it, they'll do it by themselves.
Mm.
तो बोलो मत. And same was happening with my L1, L2 also. I just read this thing in a chat. Ki how are you selling it? So I have my landing page called piano.ambatla.com. All my things are absolutely clear and in a transparent क्या क्या membership है, क्या क्या चीजें जा रही हैं. Now why I mentioned Devyanshu's name here? Because I attended MMI also very recently. That also opened me like anything. Devyanshu told me one thing. Dr. Batla, tell me, are you adding value to somebody who is learning from you? मैंने बोला yes. कहते हैं, are you changing their lives in any ways? मैंने बोला जी yes. कह रहे are you just running for the money and you have charged your packages in a way which are very very steep considering your profile, or you are ready to serve at a basic level also? मैंने बोला जी I run a gurukul wherein 40 बच्चास are learning without any fees and anything. This is my duty. तो वो तो बहुत secondary है. Money is a byproduct, trust me. And then that gave me this beautiful thinking that if you are genuinely contributing, if you have given your life and energy creating something, it is your right to charge. If you are right in your heart that yes, you are doing a justified work, if you are genuinely serving with the pure intention to serve, not for money. Money is a byproduct, guys, trust me. बहुत आता है भाग के, अगर आप उसके पीछे भागना छोड़ दो. Just focus on your serving. If you are ready to serve, money is a byproduct. So this is what I would like to suggest here. अगर आपके पास कुछ भी questions हैं or you have doubts with your, ask your students. First of all, they are the best critics you can have, because your feedback your students will give you, that will ultimately turn you as a better coach. You have the right source where to go. And another important thing which you very rightly said, considering the competition so called in the market. As an artist, ask me, when I started playing and putting my videos or anything, I used to wonder, यार इसमें तो कुछ आ ही नहीं रहा, रिस्पॉन्स नहीं आ रहा. I realized one thing, वासिनी जी, एक गाना मैं प्ले कर रहा हूँ और एक गाना मेरे साथ 10 आर्टिस्ट प्ले कर रहे हैं. ट्रस्ट मी, सबका फील विल बी डिफरेंट. आज मैं पियानो सिखा रहा हूँ, देयर आर tons of wonderful coaches who are teaching the piano also. Every individual has their own frequency, own wavelength, how they are connecting with the audience. So बचपन में बोलते थे ना घोड़े की नाल. So apply this. Focus on your vision. Law of attraction works 100%, trust me. Set that goal, focus there. Definitely you have to work. बिना काम करे तो कुछ भी नहीं होगा. And that's it. How do we decide how much to charge? Oh my God, this is one question I'm sure बहुत सारे लोग होते हैं. Guys, shortcut for this is get connected with the team of Tag Mango. They'll guide you in a beautiful way. Right, Vasini ji? I hope I'm vouching it.
Absolutely. You're very right, sir. That's so humble of you. Thank you for mentioning
And
that.
it is a duty. It is a duty. And that is what I believe, how we can serve better is, and then focused in a way is focus on your karma. Try on working on yourself that yes, I have to evolve every day. Today's my quote is also this. So every day we are evolving, provided you are ready to evolve.
Right. When you said that, sir, about that there will be people keep coming, right? That reminded me of one song and a one dialogue together combined, that this is your time. Claim it. This is your time. And there will be people before and after you. Of course there will be, right? But the moment you have, I think that's your time. So if one has that hold, I think everything is possible. And about your students, sir, you said they are the best critics, and I totally 1000% agree. That's the mantra we also follow in Tag Mango. We listen to all our creators, whatever that needs to be corrected, we add, we share. But sometimes for the customers, sometimes for the creators, it might happen that your students may lose the spark or may not be very excited about something or may lose interest. What is your go-to way to ignite them back and make them believe in?
Same thing happens. See, if you are asking them, if you are connected with them, you will get the
Right.
answer from them. And again, every student's focus is different. Every student's desire is different. So, before anybody joins in, this is a very good question. I would love to share my experience here. Please, suit yourself how to connect there. So before we initiate our journey, with folded hands, I say this, that if you are here to learn songs or in a shortcut, this is not your place. It is very easy. Why I'm saying it is easy? Because, again, amazing artists are there who have done their covers and, giving them the tutorials to play any of the Bollywood song or the Western number. My focus and purpose is entirely different. I don't teach them how to imitate the music. I teach them how to create your music so that let others imitate your work. That is the beauty. And again, considering music as a therapeutic tool, it is again not आपने गाना सुना and आपने उसको play कर दिया. Definitely उस time तक वो span अच्छा रहेगा. Your breath plays a very important role in the therapy, considering this. So all my exercises are deeply driven on the breaths, understanding and playing with the core value and slow process, but definitely you should be the one. आज मेरा mood है इस नोट से कुछ प्ले करना है, तो यहाँ से कुछ म्यूजिक आना चाहिए, वरना यहाँ का मूड है तो यहाँ का म्यूजिक आना चाहिए. You must have seen this, you know, composers never create music on the same scale. Every time pitch is different. It is depending on his mood. So it is
Hmm.
definitely our right being an artist कि यार आज इस mood में जाने का mood है, तो let's create that. So same thing goes
Wow.
with everyone, you know, if you are teaching your bachas the basics, there is so much things they can improve. There are so many things they can work on कि वो chapter
Hmm.
close ही नहीं हो सकता. And very
Hmm.
important, you have to present yourself as a learner first कि हाँ यार, let's grow together. ट्रस्ट में उससे
Hmm.
बच्चे का एनर्जी लेवल और इतना ज्यादा, अरे वाह मैं सर के साथ ये वाला चीज इम्प्रोवाइज करता हूँ, ओ वाह लुक एट देयर एनर्जी देयर. सो बी
Wow.
देयर विद देम, बी देयर, लीव दैट कोच वाला सीट एंड बी देयर एज अ फ्रेंड. एंड ट्रस्ट मी, वो जो प्रणाम वाले वैल्यूज मैंने बताए वो खुद ब
Hmm.
खुद इनकलकेट हो जाते हैं. इज्जत वो जो खुद ब खुद आए, आपको बोलना ना पड़े, वो इज्जत नहीं है. तो
Very true. Very true.
थिंग्स शुड ओपन बाय
Now,
देमसेल्फ.
that's very well said, sir. And जो आपने बहुत धीरे से एक दो कीज बजाए ना, so उस पे मेरा क्वेश्चन है आपसे. It's a personal, and I think everybody would love this. I want to ask you, you're a pianist, and of course, we would love to hear something. But before that, I want to ask you, if it is possible for you, for a few seconds, what is that one rhyme or rhythm that you prefer or you always play when you're not, when the day is not that great?
Oh, ऐसे क्वेश्चंस बड़ा मजा आता है. दिस इज द बेस्ट पार्ट, यू नो, हैविंग अ लाइव कॉन्वर्सेशन. सो
I'm
इन
so
इंडियन
glad.
क्लासिकल म्यूजिक देयर इज अ रागा और अ थाट, रादर आई विल से, बिकॉज रागा के अंदर
Mm,
बहुत सारे यू नो बंधन आ जाते हैं, तो बंधन फ्री इज
mm.
द थाट. एनी वन ऑफ यू एवर हर्ड ऑफ भैरव थाट और भैरव राग? से यस or no, you know, you're welcome to say no also. Yes, Bhairav.
Amen.
Perfect, perfect. Thank you so much. So, you know, those who don't know, they are called the in Western classical music, they are the double harmonic scales of music. And in Indian classical, they are the Bhairav. So, Bhairav is one thing, you know, that really helped me also while I was fighting the COVID battle. It is the second phase of life I am enjoying. ये topic हमारा रह गया है. I don't know if time permits. I would love to share that experience quickly too. And so Bhairav is one thought that really inspires me, and every time it is connected with my Lord Shiva, and I love him to the core. उस COVID bed पे I understood this also कि it is not about religion, it is not about that figure we see in Shiva, it is about the aspects why we call him a Shiva. And we all should be, as a human, it is our duty to inculcate those beautiful nectars, you know, why this chant is there, why the river is flowing. There are beautiful reasons. What I personally felt, I don't know, I might be 100% wrong there, but I really got connected with those and made my life very, very simple. And this is what it is. And if you allow me, मैं फटाफट से I'll share that image.
Please,
Guys,
please
okay,
go ahead.
this is a shocker. Before I leave, how many of you are ready to, you know, the JD movement here? JD is jaw dropping movement. क्योंकि मैं कुछ ऐसा दिखाने वाला हूँ. I am sure आप लोगों को झटका तो लगेगा, हाँ? I'll just share this and then tell me how did you like this. Wait. So guys, can you see this screen here? Huh?
Mm,
So
yes.
this young dynamic bald guy you see is me when I gained 14 kgs. Okay, when in the hospital, in the center image, if you can see, I was just left with 30 kgs. I was not able to move my hand. I was, you know, all there. I was gone. I experienced, you know, after death thingy also. Definitely, we can have a different seminar for that. But tell me,
Wow.
हाँ आया देखो, कैपिटल्स में जॉ ड्रॉपिंग मूवमेंट्स आ रही है यहाँ. नहीं नहीं, वासिनी जी, दिस गोज फॉर यू, डोंट बी सैड.
I'm happy to see you now here, sir. And what journey would that have been? Didn't see that
I'll
coming.
share this. You know, I'll share this. This journey taught me so much in life. This journey taught me so much in life. And you know, the real earning, what you earn in life, are the blessings. ये इतने सारे लोगों का प्यार था मेरे साथ. Those were there, you know, throughout. इतने मैसेजेस आ रहे थे, इतने ऑक्सीजन सिलेंडर्स हमारे पास आ रहे थे जहाँ लोगों के पास ऑक्सीजन की कमी थी. For 70 days I was in ICU. You know, talking about that gratitude wala thingy. Every time, guys, trust me on this, every time I was just doing this. डॉक्टर आते थे, मैं और तो हिल नहीं सकता था. हाँ जी, हाउ इज ही डूइंग नाउ, मैं अपनी हालत से अटैक करता था. आई एम ऑल राइट, आई एम ऑल राइट. सो माई एफर्मेशंस वर देयर कि नहीं, आई एम परफॉर्मिंग अगेन, I am touching my stage again. I'm doing the pranam to my piano and I'm performing again. I used to, visualize this. Now, there was only one moment when I got very emotional. Okay, and everyone, please try to connect with this, what I'm going to say right now. So, death was like autumn in 2021. Hospital, mein I was there, and every time people were just, ye death, ye death, ye death. Another guy, and they were just passing by. So there was a visitor right in front of me who came to visit somebody and he was drinking water like this. वो ऊपर से हम जैसे पानी नहीं पीते, डक डक डक. वासिनी जी, I was in that condition wherein मेरे को मुंह को वेट करने के लिए भी इंजेक्शन डाला जाता था, so that because I was not able to gulp, I was in that state. And then I got so emotional, and that was the enlightenment कि हम कहाँ भाग रहे हैं यार. जो मेन चीज़ें हैं जिसके लिए हमारे को ग्रैटिट्यूड होना चाहिए, वो तो हम मिस ही कर गए. वी सो मच इग्नोर. वी आर एबल टू टॉक, वॉक, डू एनीथिंग एंड एवरीथिंग. हम इनके बारे में तो सोचते ही नहीं है कभी भी. कितनी बड़ी ब्लेसिंग है ये. इट इज़ काउंटलेस. हम कितना थैंकफुल हो सके नेचर के लिए, वो कम है. वी जनरली क्रिप, आज मेरे पास ये मटेरियलिस्टिक चीज़ नहीं है, ये नहीं है. वी एम फॉर दीज थिंग्स. Guy, focus on your health first. That is the best thing you can have. And then everything is byproduct if your intentions are right. That is important. And talking about, okay, the last picture I'll share here, which is again talking about your mindset. Everyone, it was very easy to say it was your mindset that you came out with the willpower enough. It is with, again, all humility I'm saying this. I actually tried to prove this thing to myself that yes, anything and everything is possible if your thoughts are ready to accept that law of attraction works. This is in 2022. एक साल में I was back on my feet. Goa is one place I love to be there throughout. I was at the beach walking around जहाँ मेरे को I just said ना, मेरे को fast play करना भी allowed नहीं है because I have to be very very conscious about my heartbeat. And what I wrote is, it's a positive attitude that can convert anything and everything to anything and everything. इस बात की गहराई अगर हम समझ जाएं, life is so simple, life is so beautiful. It is all about our thoughts and the trust and the surrender that yes, everything is achievable. You can achieve that. So guys who are focusing on selling your products there, focus and work on your intentions first, and just simple thingy, have your law of attraction का एक piece ready that yes, this is my ultimate goal by this time. देखो magic होता.
We just saw the magic, sir. We just saw the magic. Like when people ask how does magic looks like, I think what you just showed us that, and that's I think within you, right? So first of all, hats off to you, sir. Thank you so much for sharing that. I mean, I don't think we can. It's even difficult to imagine what you must have been going through. And very well said. We don't appreciate the important things that we have on daily basis. So it's a good reminder. But thank you so much for sharing that, and hats off to you, sir. Everybody was writing in the group that so much
I'm
power
reading
in that
them
to
too.
you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. This is my earning, this is my earning. Thank you so much.
Absolutely. Awesome. Okay, a lot of people I understand that you don't, if you're not comfortable, or because you mentioned that you're not supposed to play very fast. But now, coming back to that question, what is that rhyme that you play with the taste not cooked?
So I'll share that definitely.
Yes.
Provided everyone here is giving me this permission to perform for you, for 2 minutes or 3 minutes. बिना उसके तो देखो मेरे को, मेरी भी भूख सामने रही. So allow me, and I'll take you through. Yeah, I love this. So this is my classroom, guys. This is the close-up view which generally I teach my bachas, wherein they can get the names also. But for you, I'll be here so that you can see me also, we can talk also, and you can actually see what I'm playing. the pedal movement and everything is very crucial for any pianist. And again, I'll play two things here. I'll share that example, that feel of a Bhairav, which I personally love, and then there is a beautiful song. I think जब आपकी मेरी बात हुई थी कि कुछ करना
Mm,
play, I really
mm.
felt like, you know, expressing this and then sharing this to all the community members that yes, ये टाइम फिर दोबारा हो ना हो. And then there's a beautiful song by Lata ji, लग जा गले कि फिर ये हंसी रात हो ना हो. I would love to play that if you all allow me, guys.
Everybody says, love to listen. Go
Alright,
ahead.
so this is the Bhairav ka introduction. Is this audible, clear?
Very audible, sir. All good.
हाँ,
Yes, yes,
पता चले
perfect.
मैं मेहनत करके बहता चला गया. This is this is a bit of the Bhairav and इसके अंदर मैं ज़्यादा नहीं जाऊँगा, नहीं तो आप लोगों को मेरे को भेजना मुश्किल हो जाएगा.
This is
No, no.
magical.
Thank you. Now this is talking about the thing which I teach also, and this is how I play also. It is not important to copy paste a song. Try your own elements. Try to create some of your elements and then try to express that. I'll try my best. In 2 minutes में मैं ये आपके लिए play कर सकूँ. So this is लग जा गले. जो आपको लगेगा ये ऐसा तो नहीं था. आगे नहीं जा सकते.
My God. Oh, wow.
Thank
Ah,
you so
I
much.
will give you all taking a moment to. That was beautiful, sir. I don't remember when I saw a live pianist like you, and what the raga that you played in the beginning was so beautiful. And this whole, it was not just mesmerizing. And I speak on behalf of everyone. It's so sad that people can't unmute, but they all are putting it on the chats. And I speak on behalf of everyone that it's magical, sir. And somebody wrote that this is going to be one of the unforgettable sessions so far. And it's definitely,
Means a lot.
it's
Means,
magic.
means a lot.
Magic.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Wow, thank you to you,
Uh,
sir. Thank you to you for playing that, for giving us that that was divine. Somebody wrote it's truly divine. That's the word I was looking for. Thank you
Thank you.
so much for doing that to us. I mean, that's just so beautiful. Thank you is an understatement. But yeah,
Thank you
how
so much.
beautiful.
Means a lot. Everything rather. Thank you.
Awesome, awesome. A lot of people that have been, I know we are now at 8, but a lot of people were asking how can they connect with you. So we've shared an intent form, although right. So we've shared a form. A lot of them are filling that. So if somebody would like to connect, you can share it with your team.
Absolutely. All there. All
I
there
give the
beside.
stage to you, sir. Is there anything that you want to share with like anything that you want to leave the coaches today with, or please, the stage is yours. I give it to you.
I think I am तो I've shared everything and it's in fact
Mhm.
थोड़ा सा म्यूजिक आने के बाद तो मैं वैसे ही एक अलग जोन में हूँ.
I
It
know.
is all to you. आप लोग please feel free to ask anything you know you have. I am all there with all my heart to answer. No filters there.
So I think we can take just last 5 minutes for quick Q&As. If anybody has any specific questions that you would like to ask, then I think we have Aman sir who
More
can
was already
answer
given.
them.
Thank you so much, Durgam ji.
Oh, that's so good. Wow. I could share that in the comments. Everybody's just okay.
Thank you. Which Gurukul you belong to, sir? This is a beautiful question, you know. Again, this is one of the ironies I faced. This is after my second world record in 2018 जब event हुआ था. So you know the irony was आप जब तक एक किसी सिस्टम को फॉलो नहीं कर रहे, आप किसी कल्चर को फॉलो नहीं कर रहे, you are not appreciated in ICCR. ICCR is the
Mm,
international council है जो हमारा आर्टिस्ट को बाहर भेजते हैं. Now
mm,
I was lacking there, and at the same time I was thanking Almighty that I have not learned anything what is coming through these ragas and everything. मैं रात के 2-3 I just wake up, something is coming, you know, some music is coming, and then I used to sit there for hours and hours together. So things
mm.
are happening, things are changing by themselves. But yes, during that COVID journey, I experienced and I realized one very important thing. This hair, this small hair, is not enough. You know, this is not for me. Now it is my purpose कि मैं आगे इस वॉल को और लोगों को बनवाऊं. That should be my motive here, and that what I'm following is. So I just mentioned about our Gurukul here, wherein you know bachas from across. Guys, this is for everyone there also. I request you, you find somebody who has a very passion to learn music, but they cannot afford anything. Please divert them to us. Please divert them to us. This is something you know. I'm very vocal about it. मेरे को अपना course बेचना हो. Trust me, I'm very bad at it. But yes, this is something I'm very vocal. So we have a property in Gurgaon. We have converted it into Gurukul. 40 bachas are there who comes here live. Otherwise, others are there जिनको हम online train कर रहे हैं. And this is what it is, you know. This is my ultimate karma also, that don't just get stuck into any systems that are blocking you. Mark your identity so strong that yes, stage should be there, a piano is there, an instrument is there, you should be well versed with what to do. And I think that is the best thing. As a mentor, as a coach, I can guide you to have that connection, but I can just guide you the path, I can show you the path. You have to work. All my students, मैं तो you know, I share that, you know, Vasini ji, and this is very interesting. All the listeners here, the audience here also. So मेरे पास आना है तो be prepared. मैं वो व्यक्ति हूँ जो आपको कढ़ाई में तलने वाला हूँ. I'm not gonna give you any shortcut. Okay, fine, twinkle twinkle little star. No. डेफिनेटली आपको बॉलीवुड सीखना है, चीज़ें आनी है, वो बाय डिफ़ॉल्ट आएंगी. इफ़ योर बेसिक्स आर क्लियर ना, ये चीज़ें तो ऐसे कैच करोगे आप. बट बी देयर फर्स्ट. तो साल तो मेरे को दे दो. Your youngest student and oldest student. Excellent. So, Dr. Pradeepa ji, again, out of my 10 world record holders, bacha, the youngest one is He was 5.5 when he joined me, and by 6.5, his name is Shulin Vora. He's from California. आज तक मेरे को मिला नहीं है live बच्चा. Online ही we conducted his journey, and by the end of 6.5 or quarter 7, he created a world record, being the youngest to complete this diploma course of ours. He answered the musicians of different schools. We arranged a concert, a huge concert with different schools. Those were there to ask him the questions. 6.5 साल का बच्चा was answering them. This scale has these chords. These chords has these inversions, and I was there, you know, finally.
Wow.
And the eldest one, who is approaching now, he's conducting. Everything goes well. He'll be the 11th one next month. He is around 70-year-old. So age is no bar here. All I need is a passion and your dedication. आ जाओ कढ़ाई में. I'll say this.
Wow, that's amazing. So many questions we are getting, but if अगर मैं आपको सारांश में बताऊं, it's a summarized way of most of the questions that people are putting over here. Is that how are you so disciplined and so calm and so patient? I personally have an opinion, sir. I want to share it. It's my personal opinion. I feel
Yes.
music brings a lot of humbleness in you. Music, I feel there are a lot of uh, different niches. There are a lot of different creative work out there, but music specifically, I feel, is a form that makes you so calm, so patient, and so humble. That's how I personally feel. But so many of them are asking, sir, how are you like this? How you're so calm, and how are you so patient? How are you so disciplined? Most of the questions are around this.
इसके दो आंसर्स है विच आर वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, यू नो. पहली चीज़, बीइंग अ पियानो स्टूडेंट है, मैं आपको साइंटिफिक चीज़ बताता हूँ, हाउ यू कैन एक्चुअली बैलेंस योर माइंड. अगेन रिलेटिंग इट टू माई कोविड जर्नी. सो ड्यूरिंग दो 70 डेज मेरे पास एक बाईपैप था. बाईपैप इज लाइक मास्क, यू नो, बहुत टाइटली पैक्ड होता है, दैट सप्लाइज ऑक्सीजन, एंड द स्पीड गोज, it is that fast. So that was the reason that people were not able to connect with their breath and they were losing their lives. So again, having that control on the mind, I was connecting with when the oxygen is coming in and when it was going out. मेरे दिमाग में सिर्फ भैरव चल रहा होता था मेरे आसपास के म्यूजिक में, and I was just meditating those 70 days. So that really helped me.
Wow.
But it is not necessary कि हमने वहाँ जाना है वो experience करने के लिए. You can do it there also. So
Right.
talking about scientific side here, with the left hand you are training your right hemisphere of your brain, and with the left hemisphere you are training your right hand to work. A piano is one beautiful instrument, you know. आप you cannot afford anything else. You cannot afford to think anything else अगर आप पियानो को पियानो वाले तरीके से प्ले कर रहे हो. So there is a difference between a synthesizer wherein आपने राइट से सिर्फ गाना प्ले करा एंड लेफ्ट के अंदर वो आ गया. जो मेरे पास आते हैं मैं उनको ज़रूर ये एक डिफरेंस बताता हूँ. ह्यूज डिफरेंस बिटवीन अ पियानो एंड अ सिंथेसाइजर. बट यस, जब ये एक हमारा मेंटल चीज़ें आनी शुरू हो जाती हैं तो आप अवेयर हो जाते हो, यू नो, यू आर मोर माइंडफुल अबाउट एवरीथिंग इन एवरी सिचुएशन. आप मानेंगे आज की डेट में अगर हॉर्न बजता है मेरे पास कार में ड्राइव करते हुए, मैं उसमें सुर ढूंढता हूँ कि कौन से पिच में होगा, बिकॉज नहीं तो वो मेरे को इतना हिट करता था पी पी पा चलते चलते. सो द बेस्ट थिंग इज टू डाइवर्ट योर माइंड एंड यू नो थिंक अबाउट द ऑल्टरनेटिव. हम इसके अंदर से पॉजिटिव क्या ले सकते हैं. एंड आई रियली लव इट. नाउ आई वेट, हॉर्न बजाए यार तू. So that is one thing. And second, a very important thing what I have experienced in my journey is the ego. मैम ट्रस्ट मी, थोड़ा सा कुछ पाके इंसान को लगता है मैं तो आ गया और मैं वहाँ पहुँच गया. जब वो वहाँ पहुँच जाता है ना अपने थॉट में, तो वो आके उल्टा पड़ता ही पड़ता है. तो जीवन में कभी सीखना मत छोड़ना. गाइज, यू आर ऑल द कोचेज हेयर एंड यू नो यू आर देयर टू shape more people around. Please never stop learning and guide your bachas the same thing. Learn with them, you know, be one with them. And I think that is the best thing. यार ना तो आपके बच्चे आपको छोड़ेंगे. मेरे साथ तो जर्नी चलती आ रही है, it's been ages. And
Right.
same goes, you know, you bond, you know, they are the family. मैं तो बच्चा ही बोलता हूँ. तो वो आप मानेंगे मेरे गुरुकुल के दो बच्चे हैं जिन्होंने वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड बनाया. एंड जब मैंने जजेस के पास
Wow.
एप्लीकेशन भेजी तो आई रोट द सेम थिंग, माय बच्चाज आर दिस एंड ये करना है. एंड देन वो तो उसी थॉट में आए कि मेरे बच्चे ने और कौन से, यू नो, आई एम ब्लेस्ड विद 2 डॉटर्स, तो उनमें से किसी का तो नहीं है. बट देन जब वो आए तो पता चला ही है. एंड गाइस ट्रस्ट मी, इनमें से एक बच्चा वो है जिनके फादर इज अ मिस्त्री हु construct the houses, and other one is the daughter of one of the pujaris in a temple. And आज वो जो बच्चा है, मोनू नाम है इस बच्चे का, he is earning more than ₹1 lakh per month while teaching and performing. And this bachchi also, she's doing extremely well. She's traveling everywhere with her world record ka thappa also. I believe, this, as I said, this is just a materialistic gain. I'm very thankful, but at the same time, this is our duty to pass it on. Being the mentors, being the coaches here, ऊपर वाले ने जो आपको बख्शा है, just share it. That is for the purpose. This is what my
Wow.
mantra.
Wonderful, sir. Thank you so much. I think if you when you speak, your the way you speak, it has a rhyme too, and which is why it's so soulful to our ears. So whenever you were talking, I was just like, I just wanted to keep listening to you. And I know if you keep listening to it, the session, I don't think I'd be able to end it.
I know.
But just sadly, because we have a second part to it, and today's Ganesh Chaturthi, so a lot of people had to go. So we might have to close the session now. But before I do that, um, I don't know how many words are enough for the gratitude that we have for you. Not just of what you are, of course, what you're doing, what you're contributing to the community, sir, but even for Tag Mango, you being present in Tag Mango. And I know Divyanshu has also personally spoken to you. He was very happy when I told him that you're joining this session. We are so grateful that we have you in the Tag Mango, sir. And we know that we are going to do better. We're going to do bigger things with the help of coaches like you, with having you in by our side all the time. Yeah.
Count me in 24/7. I'm there. I'm there.
I'm very much delighted that, sir. And last thing that we do before you leave, we take a quick screenshot of you and me doing a victory sign. We post it in our community. If you want to zoom in your screen a little bit, if you want, otherwise even this looks fine. Or I can take a quick screenshot of you and me. We'll do just this bit, and yes, we can do this victory sign.
Okay, okay,
Oh,
fine,
that's
yes.
that.
I'm so
I can't
used
do
to
this because
this.
I'm taking a
I'm so
screenshot.
used to of this. Oh God.
I know. I
Please.
want to do that, but I'm just taking a screenshot from the other hand. So,
Yeah,
but
yeah,
anyway,
yeah.
let's do
Please.
it. In just
Anything.
1, 2, 3. Done.
This
Awesome.
was
Awesome.
wonderful.
Thank you. Thank you so much, sir, for being there on behalf of everyone. For those who are here, all the Tag Mango coaches, we have the second part, so don't go anywhere. But let's all write MPTY, more power to you. I think this is a better
I
picture, sir.
agree.
Let's just take one more screenshot. I want to take one more
Please, please,
screenshot of
please.
you and me.
Yeah,
Go
this
ahead.
way. I'm bad at it. I'm sorry.
That's great. This is great. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. And more power to you, sir, for all
Thank
the
you
things that
so
you've
much.
been through and doing towards
Thank
us.
you so much. And then again, thanks to all the people present here. इतना आपने मेरे को प्यार दिया, मैं यहाँ पे सारी चीजें देख रहा था. आई रियली विश इनका अगर मेरे को आप प्लीज स्क्रीन शेयर दे सके, मेरे
Of
को जरूर
course.
दीजिए. I really
Bilkul.
love being here, and thank you so much, Vasini ji, for giving me this opportunity to share my journey and making you
Awesome.
all as part of my journey.
Anytime, sir. We do these sessions every week. I am really looking forward to having you soon again. I'm sure if I put a poll, everybody is just gonna say yes to it. So we hopefully we're going to have you in the one of the Mango Circle sessions again. But thank you for
Always.
coming here and this beautiful day. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you
Thank you
so
so
much.
much.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Pranam
Thank
and
you.
good night.
Yes, sir. Good night. Awesome. Okay, all those who are here, the Tag Mango coaches, do not go anywhere. We are going to start our Mangothon. But before we do that, let's take a moment, guys. Let's take a moment and let's feel the energy. I think it was a very, very, very beautiful session. What do you guys think about the session? All of these with Shreyash, and this is just beautiful. And today, it was just mind blowing. I had no words. So thank you for helping me with the words that you guys are putting in. But I really, really hope you all are enjoying these sessions. We keep doing this every week. So it just calmed and grounded me so much, Irene. That's very true. I feel you. I feel the same.